Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and today I'm whipping up one of my sister's favorite recipes. She requests this every time she comes to visit, so I hope you're watching, sis, because today we're making some vegan stuffed shells. Let's dive in. Get out a large pot of water and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, add in a box of jumbo shells and cook them for package instructions. Drain them out and rinse under cold water. This is very important because these will want to stick together otherwise. Now onto our filling. Bust out a food processor and let's make some vegan ricotta cheese. Start by adding in some raw cashews and a block of firm tofu. Then add in some nutritional yeast and garlic. Lastly, let's spice this up with some oregano, basil, salt, and pepper. Blend that up till it's totally smooth, then take out a large baking dish. Pour in some marinara sauce. I'm using this super delicious triple tomato marinara from a previous episode. Now comes the fun part. Take a shell, hold it open, and add in 1 tablespoon of filling before adding it to the pan. Continue doing this until you either run out of shells, out of filling, or space in your pan. Toss the shells into a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. Take them out and we're ready to plate this dish. There are so many gorgeous colors on this. I'm not going to focus too much on the sauce since I raved about it last week, but our filling is delicious and creamy and pairs perfectly with this dish. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite recipes in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. I actually just turned the oven on. That's what they call movie magic. Aw, yeah.